wildfire burning in Northern California has exploded to an estimated 30 to 40,000 acres in less than 24 hours.
Yeah, it's called the McKinney fire. It ignited yesterday about 2 in the afternoon. This is burning in the Klamath National Forest in Siskiyou County. That's right up there on the border with Oregon. Officials say this fire is being fueled by windy conditions and extreme weather. The fire is sending up a massive plume 50,000 feet into the air. It's expected to worsen conditions there. Containment remained at 0% as of this afternoon. 0%. Firefighters are putting a priority on evacuations and safety.
Some thunder cells rolled in and the fire kind of got pushed down the canyon and it got wind driven, and that's kind of where we're at now.
It's not exactly clear what started this fire. However, the area was under a fire weather watch through Monday for lightning over the extremely dry fuels. Meteorologist Rob Mayetta watching this. And Rob, I was watching you on Twitter. You talked about the potential for this fire to explode, and it has.
And what you see behind you, this is the satellite view. That's the fire right there. And as sunrise hit, you could see those smoke plumes going up to 50,000 feet. That's up into the stratosphere. And this is what happens when a fire goes from 0 to about 28,000 acres overnight. And you can see that just dramatic view on the satellite. Now, what's happening for ground crews, what's making this fire very tough to fight, is the fact that we don't have air crew support during the day. You see how those winds shift rapidly, reducing visibility. Those convective wind gusts associated with thunderstorms and the outflow winds are making for a very chaotic firefighting environment. Hot temperatures, too. You can see lining that McKinney fire. Ongoing thunderstorms, which bring in some very gusty winds, obviously bringing lightning too, which is an extreme hazard. Now, notice by tomorrow morning, not much relief in terms of the temperatures. This is overnight temperatures in the 70s to low 80s. This is what's driving daytime activity overnight for this fire over the last 24 hours is these very dry conditions, strong winds, so not much support from the weather. And during the day tomorrow, we'll see another day back into the upper 90s with dry conditions and the risk for lightning. It's also important to point out, closer to the Bay Area, you probably noticed the increase in the humidity today. We do have some scattered showers just offshore, and we have our own fire danger concern late tomorrow into Monday, as we'll see a chance of showers, which may involve some thunder showers and lightning strikes into Monday morning. Have a closer look at a very active forecast for this time of year coming up in about 10 minutes.
All right, Rob, thank you. When we are not on the air, you can get the latest updates on the fire online at NBCBayArea.com. McKinney fire is our top story right now. We'll be tracking it closely as it continues to burn out of control.